Matthew and the Wise Seagull. Have you ever wondered what would happen if you met a wise seagull on the beach? This is exactly how the adventure of Matthew, a little boy who loves playing in the sand and building castles, begins. One sunny day, while Matthew was playing on the beach, something extraordinary happened. A surprising encounter. Matthew was running along the beach, laughing and jumping over the waves, when suddenly he tripped over a stone and fell. He felt pain in his knee and tears welled up in his eyes. At that very moment, he noticed someone watching him. It was a seagull, but not just any seagull. It had shiny, wise eyes and looked as if it knew something Matthew didn't understand yet. "Hey, little friend, are you okay?" the seagull asked in a gentle voice. Matthew stood up, angry and embarrassed that someone had seen him fall. He wanted to shout and run away, but something in the seagull's voice made him stop and reply. "I fell and my knee hurts," he said, still angry. "I understand that it hurts," said the seagull. "But do you know that every fall can teach us something important?" Matthew looked at the seagull in disbelief. How could a fall be something good? The seagull smiled and suggested, "Come, I'll show you something interesting. We'll build a sandcastle together. Maybe then you'll understand what I mean." Matthew, though still angry, agreed. Together with the seagull, they started building a sandcastle. After a while, the castle was ready and looked magnificent. Matthew was proud of their joint creation. "Do you see how beautiful this castle is?" the seagull asked. "But what would happen if a strong wind came and destroyed it?" Matthew worried at the very thought. But the seagull continued, "The castle might collapse, but we can always rebuild it. It's the same with us. When we fall, we can get up and try again." Everything was going well until a strong wind came and indeed destroyed the castle. Matthew felt anger rising in his heart again. He wanted to shout and stomp his feet, but the seagull stopped him. "Calm down, Matthew. It's just a sandcastle. We can rebuild it." Matthew, though angry, decided to try once more. Together with the seagull, they started building the castle anew, but this time the wind was stronger, and the castle collapsed again. Matthew felt he had no strength left. "I can't do it," Matthew shouted. "Something always goes wrong. It's pointless." The seagull sat beside him and said quietly, "Matthew, sometimes things don't go our way, but what's important is how we handle it. Every fall is an opportunity to learn something new and become stronger." Matthew pondered the seagull's words. He began to understand that anger and shouting wouldn't help him build the castle. He took a deep breath and decided to try once more, this time with more patience and calm. Together with the seagull, they began building the castle for the third time. This time Matthew was more careful and attentive. The castle grew taller and taller until it was bigger and more beautiful than ever before. "We did it!" Matthew exclaimed with joy. The seagull smiled broadly. "See, Matthew, every fall is just a step on the road to success. It's important not to give up and to learn from your mistakes." Matthew felt proud and happy. He understood that falls and difficult emotions are part of life, but how we deal with them defines our strength and courage. From that day on, whenever Matthew fell or something went wrong, he remembered the words of the wise seagull. Instead of getting angry and shouting, he took a deep breath, thought about what he could learn, and tried again. Do you remember how Matthew built the sandcastle for the third time? What did he do differently? Why do you think the seagull said that every fall is an opportunity to learn? Have you ever fallen or felt angry when something went wrong? What can you do next time to feel better? Remember, every fall is a chance to learn something new and become stronger. It's important not to give up and to try again, just like Matthew and his wise seagull.